Hello guys and welcome back. Today we are going to learn about machine learning, and this will be a short video, and let's get started. So this is a brief overview of how machine learning can be used to train your algorithm from given data or data that is what you know to be true. Taking an online course on machine learning is strongly recommended, but I'll try to keep this very simple for now. So this is a game where using image processing is important. So this is the game called archery, and you have to drag along the screen to hit the arrow, and the arrow has to hit the center of the dartboard. And this is an interesting game, and initially I tried to solve this by modeling a parabolic equation, and it wasn't working, maybe because the game doesn't use a parabolic equation, or maybe it does and it has some air resistance or some other weird factors into it, and that could be the reason why it's not working. So when you don't know the correct physics of how the game works, it becomes hard for you to solve it. So that's where machine learning comes into picture. Now I'll tell you how you can use linear regression model in MATLAB to solve this game. So you can train the model by using FitLM, which is linear model, and you have to give the coordinates in theta, and this is another parameter that you could change, but we are going to use linear for now. So you can train the model by giving the coordinates in theta. So how you get the values of coordinates in theta is like this. So the coordinates would be the distance of the dartboard from the point of shooting. So this would be x and this would be y. So they would be the coordinates, and theta is the angle at which you will shoot the arrow. So if you want to get the data to train your model, what you're supposed to do is trial and error. So just pull your arrow and leave it at a specific angle, maybe theta equal to 18, and see if you get plus 50. If you don't, just retry. So for each time you have this dartboard, collect the values of x and y and try to hit at a specific theta. When a specific theta works, save all three. Save the coordinates, which is the x and the y, and also the angle at which you're shooting. So you're going to store a huge matrix of that with lots of data. When the dartboard is at different positions on the screen, you're going to save all that and do this. So that would give you a model that you can use for any new data or for any new position of the dartboard that comes in. And when you have a new position, again find the coordinates x and y using image processing, and you can use predict of model 1 comma coordinates. So the coordinates are the x and y. Just give the model and just give the coordinates, and you get the theta at which you should shoot to get a plus 50 score. And that is how you can solve games using machine learning.